Those who are present in this Zoom class, only they will be marked present. Adi, Aditi, Anand, Anay, Ashi, Ayushi, Diksha, Garvi, Katyayani, Shifa. Only they will be marked present. Okay, let's begin the numericals of 5C part. Yesterday, I have explained the sign which will be used in concave and convex lens. I have explained. First, we'll discuss the sign of convex. Okay. What sign will be placed with distance of the object from the lens? V. It can be positive or negative. When we have the real image, then it will be positive. For virtual, it is negative. And F, focal length? Focal length? Positive. It will be positive. Okay. In concave, U, always negative. V, always negative because it always forms virtual image. So the focus will also be negative. Okay. Is it clear? Only these sign you have to keep in your mind for solving your numericals. Okay. You all know U is the distance of the object. V is distance of image. F is focal length. Okay. Okay. So we have the first numerical here. At what position a candle of length 3 cm be placed? We all know the lens formula. 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is the lens formula. And magnification M is equals to V by U is equals to I by O. V by U is equals to I by O. This is the formula for magnification, where I is the length of image and O is length of object. Is it clear? We have two formulas here. These two formulas will be applicable in the numericals. Okay. In first question, at what position a candle of length 3 cm? What is this 3 cm? Given that what is this 3 cm? Not distance. At what position a candle of length 3 cm? This is the length of the object. Candle is the object. So length of the object is represented by the letter O. O is 3 cm. Is placed. What you have to get? At what position a candle of length 3 cm must be placed? It means the distance of the object from the lens. So that the image of length means I, 6 cm, be obtained on a screen placed at a distance 30 cm behind the lens. What is this 30 cm? This is V. So this is 30 cm distance of the image from the lens, that is 30 cm. Is it clear? Till here is it clear? How can we get u? Which formula will be applied? We are not having focal length. How can we get by the length form? How can I get?
1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus
But
1 upon
f is not given, u is not given. How will you get?
V upon U equals I upon O.
V upon u is equals to I upon O. Good. V upon u is equals to I upon O. In place of V, 30. U you have to get. I is 6 and O is 3. Is it visible?
Yes.
6u is equals to 3 into 30. So u is equals to 3 into 30 upon 6. U is 15 centimeter. Okay. U is 15 centimeter. Is it clear? In its B part, what is the focal length of the lens in part A? You have to get f. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here it is given that our image is obtained on the screen. We have a convex lens, image is obtained on the other side. It means we have real image. We have to get the focal length. For real image, v will be positive. So we have 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon. U will be negative in all the cases. In place of u, minus 15. This is minus minus plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 15. What is the LCM? 30. 1 plus 2. So 1 by f is equals to 3 by 30. It is 1 by 10. So f is equals to 10 centimeter. Is it clear? Students, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In second question, a concave lens forms the image of an object kept at a distance 20 centimeter in front of it. What is this 20 centimeter?
U.
U. 20 centimeter is U. At a distance 10 centimeter on the side of the object. The concave lens forms an image of an object kept at a distance 20 centimeter, means the object is kept at 20, it is U, and V is 10 centimeter, and at the distance 10 centimeter on the side of the object, means which type of image is formed? Virtual. By the lens directly we can say we have virtual image, it is concave lens, and concave lens always forms virtual image. The second condition, if you are not seeing the name of the lens, then it is given the image is formed on the same side of the object. It means it is virtual. Virtual. What is the nature of the image? What is the nature of the image? Virtual. Virtual is always erect, and concave lens always form diminished image. With the help of V and U, you can get the focal length f. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In third question, it is given that the focal length of a convex lens is 25 centimeter. At what distance from the optical center of the lens an object be placed to obtain a virtual image of side twice the size? Virtual image of twice size. This is question number 3. The focal length of convex lens is 25 centimeters, so it will be positive. It will not be negative. At what distance from the optical center of the lens an object be placed? Let u is equals to x. To obtain a virtual image of toy size, if O is h, then I is, if height of the object is h, then the height of the image is 2h. How can we get v, because without v we cannot get u. How can we get? We know that image of the object, distance of the object will always be negative. V by u is equals to I by O. V by x is equals to, in place of I, 2h, O is h is cancel out. V by x is equals to 2. So v is equals to 2x. For real image it will be positive. Now apply formula 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. In place of f, 25. V will be positive, 2x minus 1 by u is minus x. This is minus minus, 1 by 2x plus 1 by x. It will be 1 plus 2 upon 2x. So we have 125 is equals to 3x by 3 by 2x. By cross multiplication, 2x is equals to 25 into 3. X is 75 by 2. By dividing, it is 37.5. It is given that the virtual image of toy size, virtual image, it means we will be negative. In case of virtual image, the v will be negative. If v is negative, it will be minus. In place of 2, it will be 1. Okay, 1 into 25. So we will have x is equals to 25 by 2. It is 12.5 centimeter. Okay, it is given in the question. Virtual image of toy is the size. Virtual means v is negative. Okay. Next we have fourth question. Is it clear? Is there any confusion in this question?
No, ma'am.
In fourth question, where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens of focal length? Focal length is given. To obtain a real image. Real image means v will be positive. Thrice the size of the object. Okay. Okay. Next we have question number 5. An illuminated object lies at a distance 1 meter from the screen. What is 1 meter? U. A convex lens is used to form an image of the object on the screen at a distance 10 centimeter from the lens. What is this 75 centimeter? Image. It is image. Can you get the focal length? Can you get the focal length? With the help of V and U, you can get the focal length and the magnification also. M is equals to V by U. Okay. Next we have sixth question. A lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance 15 centimeter from it, at a distance 60 centimeter in front of it. Find the focal length and the magnification and the nature of the image. What is given? A lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance 15 centimeter from it. Object is placed at 15 centimeter. from it at a distance 60 centimeter from it. It means on the same side of the object, but at the same side but behind the object. Which type of mirror lens it will be? Simply you can, by drawing the, you are not knowing the lens. Okay, suppose this is the lens, you are not knowing which type of lens it is. Object is placed at 30 centimeter, 15 centimeter, sorry, 15 centimeter, and the image is formed at 60 centimeter. So which type of object it will be? Which type of lens it will be? This is the object, this is the object, this is the image. How can you say it is the convex? Concave lens does not form the image behind the object. So we can say it is convex lens. Okay, it is the convex lens. Which condition will apply? The last one. Object is placed between the focus and the pole. Distance of the object u is, in 6th question, 15 centimeter. It will be negative. V is also negative, 60 centimeter. Can you get the focal length? F is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Put the values. 1 by V minus 60, U minus 1 by 15. So we have 1 by F is equals to minus 4 plus 1. Sorry, it is minus 1 plus 4 upon 60. So 1 by F is equals to 3 by 60. So F is equals to
20.
F is equals to 20 centimeter. Is it clear? And magnification, M is equals to V by U. V is minus 60, U is minus 15. It is 4. Magnification is 4. And which type of image it will be? Virtual, erect and magnified. Magnified. Okay. So try to solve the numericals up to 10. Okay. From 11th onward I will explain tomorrow. Okay. Is there any confusion till here? Then only up to 10 we have to solve. We'll see after 10th from 11 to 18 if there is any question related to the convex lens and focal length and V and U, then we will that's why I said you will solve up to 10, and if you have any queries up to 10 then it will be solved tomorrow, and the remaining question which you are in your syllabus will be discussed. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.